Hey everyone, welcome to Skate Skim Surf channel. Come and join us on another daily dose of outdoor adventure.
Throughout history, waves have served as a powerful symbol of the ocean's boundless energy and ceaseless motion. They captivate not only with their physical might, but also as a representation of change, renewal, and transformation. As we observe the ebb and flow of the waves, we are reminded of the unpredictable nature of life, prompting us to adapt and navigate through its various challenges. In this video, let's consider the individuals who fearlessly take on the waves with determination and skill. These wave warriors exemplify resilience in the face of the restless ocean, undaunted by the formidable force before them. It's essential to remind all wave enthusiasts of the importance of caution and respect in this exhilarating sport. When joining the lineup, it's crucial to exercise patience and consideration for others. Just as the waves come and go, so too should we approach them with careful timing and mindfulness. In the wise word of Duke Hanamoku, take your time, wave comes. Let the other guy go. Catch another wave. This sage advice highlights the significance of respectful coexistence amidst the exhilarating chaos of the waves, emphasizing the value of mutual respect and harmony in pursuing our shared passion. As responsible individuals, it's crucial to preserve the beauty of our beaches and oceans for future generations. It is important to raise awareness about environmental conservation and the impact of modernization on our natural resources. Let's all take responsibility and work towards sustainable practices to protect our shores and oceans.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to press that subscribe button to be updated on our latest Skate Skim Surf outdoor adventure.